Hey, morning, guys. Roger at CU Scrapping. As I promised, gonna tear down that old computer today. But I also found something else in that load. Anybody remember these golden oldies? The original bag phones. So that'll be another fun teardown. But we'll save that for another day. Okay, and there it is. It's the old AST Premia 466D. May not be as old as I thought. It's got the 4¼ inch floppy, no 5¼ inch. So it's still in the same era. Let's break this thing down and see what we got in it. Let's see if I can get this in the tripod without turning the damn thing off. Okay, and the first thing we want to do is get the cover off. Break the manufacturer's warranty seal. I think they're all going to have to come off. And the thing may be stuck on there. It only happens when you're doing a video, right? There we go. Alright, that front cover has nothing but tin. And it doesn't look too bad. A couple sticks of memory there. There's the CPU. The hard drive, or not the hard drive, the floppy drive, power source. There's the hard drive. What is that? $545.5 megabytes. Wow. All right. Plastic here on the garbage. Let's see what kind of goodies we got. And it is pinned. It's gold plated underneath. Take the heat shield off. Maybe I can do it without stabbing myself. It is ceramic. There she goes. Well, it is a 486, but it's not gold capped. So not a $160 per pound chip, but it'll be it'll be up there. I forget what Board Sort's paying for these. Still better than the $2 per pound chips they got in them today. And of course, aluminum heat shield. That's good. Let's get this drive out. Switch up on me again. All right, more tin shred. And these drive boards aren't anything real special. I'll probably pull it out, play around with it, end up selling it to my local yard. They might give me mid-grade on it, but mid-grade, low-grade, there's nothing real special about it. Oh, let's get the power supply out. Maybe. Well, there's the hard drive. Let's go with that. It's a nice older hard drive board. I will pull the board out to go to Board Sort. I forget what they're going for, but they're 15, 16, 18 bucks a pound, something like that. Then I'll sell the hard drive itself whole without the board for like 20 cents a pound. But it all adds up. That's why I didn't come up. Just a couple screws. Couple zip ties. I'm going to put you guys on pause. I think I've got a delivery coming. Okay, we're back. That was a pleasant little surprise I'll share with you at the end of the video here. Get rid of some of these zip ties. And there's the power supply. they don't bring a lot of money. And my yard, most yards anymore, are requiring you keep the wires on the power supplies to get any value out of them at all. A little bit of ribbon wire. That'll go on my number 3. Get the centerpiece out. Little board in here. More ribbon wire. And that, even though it's green on both sides, there's nothing to that, so that'll go on the low grade boards. More tin shred. And there is the motherboard. Wow. Alkaline battery backup. I assume that's for the clock. That'll be tin shred. A little speaker. Cut the wires. Number 2 insulated, tin shred. And let's get this motherboard. Now that's a small socket. Easiest way I've been told to determine small socket or large socket is the large socket. A quarter will fit into it. God, that's close. I'll have to set that aside and let board sort make the call on that. And it does make a difference. I think it's probably $1 a pound per board between large socket and small socket. Don't want to forget to pull the RAM. These are hard to get out. They don't have the nice disconnects the newer ones do. There's the RAM. The RAM comes with either gold fingers or silver fingers. Most of them are gold, and those are the good ones. Those are, I believe, $21 a pound right now. Get everything rest of this shell is tin shred. And there is the motherboard. It's got some good IC chips on it. I don't mess with them unless they're actually pullable. These are all soldered on, so I will leave those so I don't get the board downgraded. Really nice crystal oscillator. Some tantalum capacitors. But yeah, if they classify that as a large socket motherboard, that'll go for about four and a half a pound. Like I said, with that configuration, I'll have to let them make the call on that. And that's it. That's it on the old computer. Not much to them. Some decent value out of those. I was really hoping for a 486 gold cap, which has a gold cap on the top as well as the bottom. But still a good grade. Okay, the interruption in the video. Let me go grab that real quick. I got me a package. Apartment Scrapper. I think you recognize that. Hiding his address here. A while back, Apartment Scrapper found a cutting torch outfit, and it sounded like he was going to scrap it. 8 years ago, when I had to give up the contracting business, I sold my torch kit, and I've been kicking myself in the ass ever since. So I made him an offer he couldn't refuse, and we got together and made this happen. Let's open her up here. And if I haven't already done it enough, I thank you again, Michael. Keep his address hidden. There we go. Very well packed. And he was all worried that he had already cut the hoses. I don't trust old hoses. I'll get new hoses for this. So yeah, very nice Victor Equipment gauge set. If I remember right, this one's a Harris. Yeah, this one's a Harris. And I know the torch is a Victor, and that's what caught my attention. Personally, I prefer Victor. That's a nice torch. Wow, I wonder why they threw that out. That's incredible. So Apartment Scrapper, thank you again. Definitely worth the price I paid. And you know, as they say, the check's in the mail. You should be getting that first part of next week. But thank you again. My first mail call video, and it happened to happen while I was filming. So thanks everybody for watching. Maybe I'll put that old bag phone on video when I tear it apart. Maybe not. It'll be a learning experience. I've never tore one apart. Let me get you up here where we can see each other. So, all right. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. I know it's been a while since I put out a video. I put out a couple days ago. That's going to improve. I'm gonna start doing more videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.